What's up? I'm going to show you how to play Vacant Heart on guitar. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe. I'd really appreciate that. Let's get started. So for this song, you'll be in standard tuning with your capo on the 3rd fret. After listening to it a few times, I figured out the tab here for it. So that's your middle finger on the 3rd fret of the G string and your pinky finger on the 4th fret of the D string. I'll be saying the frets relative to the capo on 3. So for example, this would be like the 3rd fret. In reality, it's the 6th, but so capo on 3. So middle finger, 3rd fret, pinky finger, 4th fret. So it should sound like that. To get the bass notes, you'll do your ring finger on 4, and then open, and then your pointer on 2. So the picking pattern goes. So it may take a little while for that shape to get comfortable, but what I did was just put my middle finger on the 3rd fret of the G string and my pinky finger on the 4th fret of the D string, and then it's open B. Just get comfortable playing those 3 notes, right? Those 3, and then you can throw in your ring and your pointer finger later. So just play that over and over. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Hey, let me know some other songs you want to learn down in the comments, and I'll see you in the next video.